Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey to learn the parts of the body in Hindi through English. So, whether you're a beginner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about Hindi. Alright, let's kick things off with some common body parts. First up, we have the eyebrows, which is bhohe in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Bhohe. Fantastic. I will repeat this. Eyebrows. Bhohe. Eyebrows. Bhohe. Now, let's move to the wrist, which is kalai in Hindi. Give it a try. Kalai. Excellent. I will repeat this. Wrist. Kalai. Wrist. Kalai. Now, let's move to the neck, which is gardan in Hindi. Give it a try. Gardan. Excellent. I will repeat this. Neck. Gardan. Neck. Gardan. Now, let's move to the nail, which is nakhun in Hindi. Give it a try. Nakhun. Excellent. I will repeat this. Nail. Nakhun. Nail. Nakhun. Now, let's move to the chin, which is thodi in Hindi. Give it a try. Thodi. Excellent. I will repeat this. Chin. Thodi. Chin. Thodi. Now, let's move to the forehead, which is matha in Hindi. Give it a try. Matha. Excellent. I will repeat this. Forehead. Matha. Forehead. Matha. You're making fantastic progress. Let's do a quick recap. Eyebrows, bhohe. Wrist, kalai. Neck, gardan. Nail, nakhun. Chin, thodi. Forehead, matha. Congratulations! You have just learned some essential body parts in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words in your daily life. Thank you for joining us today.